Right now I want to show you how you navigate around the screens on the Garmin Rino 600 compared to the Garmin Rino 500 series. So on the 600 series, on the map page here, you want to zoom in, hit the plus, and hit the minus, and you can see it zooming in and out. On the 500 series, because it has these buttons, not a touch screen, unlike the 600, in this case you hit the Z, and you go up or down to zoom in and out. And once you're done, you hit the button. Now, next, let's go to the compass page. Compass. On the Garmin Rino 500 series, there's a button on the side here, which is the page button. So I'm going to hit that once, and it too takes me to the compass page. So now, I want to change this top cell here from odometer to speed. So let's click it on the 600 series. There's speed, select it, and now it's changed. Let's do the same on the 500 series. You can see there's a little icon up top, the yellow one. As I move this, that moves. So we're going to go down and move this to the odometer. Select it. Again, we're going to go down to speed. And done. So now we both have the same setup on both units. Now let's try something different. I'm going to exit out of the 600's compass. Let's go across. Let's find, let's do the sun and moon phases. There we are. Today's the 2nd and the moon's full. So let's go on this unit and do the same thing. If I hit the button on the side and scroll through this button here, I'll be able to page through, and I have my main menu, my radio page, my map page, and my compass. So I need to find what I'm looking for. So again, my little yellow icon, I press down on the rocker, and there's my sun and moon, and I hit select. So you can see there's quite a difference here in the way the page is laid out. Obviously the Rino 600 series has a lot more real estate on the screen because it's a larger screen. But on the 500 series, it still shows the same information. Today's date, 2nd of August, you can see there it's the 2nd of August. I want to see what the moon's going to do in the next few days. Go across, and you can see now we have half moon on the 6th. So let's change that same function we just did there on the 600 on the 5. You go down, across, we select the date, and now we change it. We can hit across, go up, go to 6, down, hit OK, and there we have the same images showing there for the moon. So it does the same thing, it just does it in a different way. Let's try one more thing, which is probably the main thing we use the Rino for, is the radio page. Let's click this button on the side. You can see there, oops, I missed it. There it is, we're back to the radio. So, close this one out, go across, and then we get back to the radio. So there, again, the layout's exactly the same. I've got both radios off, so let's turn them on. On the 600, I hit the menu button, turn radio on. On the 500 series, again, my icon's up the top, cross to the menu button, select, use the radio, and there we go. Now, let's change the channel. 500 series, select on the 1. Let's go to channel 10. Select, done. On the Rino 600, select. We can go down and go to 10. Back. So there you go. That's the difference in using the Garmin Rino 500 series and the Garmin Rino 600 series, which now has a touch screen.